Hi and properly welcome to this vlog. Are you also one of those people who has like one nice breakfast item and then gets like hooked to it? It's really weird, but I'm like that. Like if I come across a different breakfast item, so basically the other day Ram made eggs Kejriwal for me the other day. Now he makes his eggs Kejriwal a little more spicy and a little differently than the way I cook it or the way I've eaten it at a couple of restaurants. And ever since I have had it, I have been having it every single morning. It is so good, guys. You all should just not have breakfast one of these days and have breakfast here, please, because it is so good. Also, clearly super late breakfast happening today. It's beautiful. Honestly, his eggs Kejriwal is so good. So in case you are also like that, please tell me in the comments, because I'm definitely one of those like ये वाला snack अच्छा लग गया तो अगले 10 सालों के लिए मैं वही खाऊंगी. Not 10 साल, but you get what I'm saying. I'm like that about breakfast, especially because I love breakfasts. Here's my husband, who doesn't only not remember anniversary dates, he now takes random reels, reel audios on Instagram. Why has it gotten all dark like this? I need to get my camera service. देखना कितना dark हो गया है देवेश. Guys, what do I do? Leave a comment. This is so weird. I'm actually trying to fix the lighting and nothing else.
You can't.
I did.
Because I'm dark.
Hi.
Hi.
Leaving?
No, I see. Back like you go.
Okay, bye. Bye. It is almost 1 o'clock and we're all having a little bit of an early lunch situation, which you know I absolutely love. My lunch today is bhutta. We made sweet corn masaledar something with cheesy dip over here. This Ram has made. So क्या खा रहा है खाने में देवेश?
Sabji roti.
Sabji roti is happening here and prawns something is happening here.
Yeah, prawns.
Why is the light going off again and again? Okay, so there's prawns something happening here with Lay's.
Yeah.
Okay then. Alright. Devesh is like shaking his head. Ye nahi seekhegi. Is this like the weirdest angle ever? Yeah, I think so. Maybe. I'm in the room, like my office room. I just came in to do a little bit of makeup. Literally, I'm done with my base, but I didn't even put base. I put like a touch of base and I mixed it up with moisturizer because I wanted to give myself like a very barely there makeup look. I'm doing something really fun today, which the title may have already probably told you about. I don't know, maybe. I'm recreating a few of Alia Bhatt's Instagram pictures, and this is a title and a topic and just a zone that I've seen a lot of people go in, like overseas and in India, recreating celebrity diets, looks, Instagram feed, blah blah blah. And I thought, you know what, in the spirit of trying new things, I really should give this a shot. If you do follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been trying some new stuff. I posted 2-3 reels over the last couple of days that are totally out of my usual zone, in the sense that it's not like it's not me, but it's not very me. But I'm enjoying trying it out, and you guys are giving me such sweet, nice responses to it on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. And it's just been really nice to push myself out of my comfort zone. I can't take the full credit for this. A lot of this is, of course, my team encouraging me and making sure they kind of like, you know, they're like, oh, this is a good idea, but we must not just talk about it, we must do it, and like really pushing me into that zone and also enjoying it themselves also, which always works. I don't think it's possible to really do anything fully properly unless everyone involved is enjoying it. So I'm gonna quickly get on and do this makeup and keep it really basic and really minimal. I want to try and create reels as well while I continue to vlog, which is gonna be a touch of a challenge, but कोई बात नहीं, हमने ऐसे पहले भी किया है तो आज भी फिर से करने की कोशिश करेंगे. आज मेरा मूड थोड़ा सा सुस्त है. I have to admit, I'm pushing myself a little bit. थोड़ा सा laziness is kicking in. And this is happening to me, if I'm being very honest and like just being really real with you. It's something I'm struggling with on and off over the past few months. But in this new year, I guess today is the day where it's really like kind of kicking in. I feel like I wake up full of ideas and bursting to do things and wanting to do A and B and C. Every time I open social media, somebody has tested positive and something is going wrong here or there, and I know it's the world and I know this is just where we are. We're in the middle of a pandemic and all of that, but it just It upsets me, and at the same time I also must acknowledge my privilege in trying to zone out of it. The fact that it is not, at the moment, it is not directly affecting me. Alhamdulillah, oh God, touch wood, that I'm able to try to zone it out even. So I'm feeling a little bit lazy, lethargic, fatigued, whatever you want to call it, but we're going to get on with this. I'm going to push myself and try and make sure that we get the content going. I have to be honest with you, while you know, like today I was seeing on Twitter and in the news and all of that, they're saying there might be another lockdown in Maharashtra or Mumbai. I don't really have the details. I'm going to support and think that whatever they're doing is right, because they know better than us. They have the real numbers, and they're you know, doing everything in their capability to really put a good cap on the numbers, hopefully. I'm scared that I will in lockdown 1 I really couldn't get myself to do as much or do as much good stuff that I was genuinely proud of. My fear on the personal front is of course health and well-being of myself and loved ones. On the professional front, my fear is that I don't want to go back into that bad place and that shell where I detest making content and stuff. Like, it was not a good place, and I just want to make sure I don't go back there. Also, I mean, this top should be ideally tucked in to not look like such a like blousey blouse, if you know what I mean. But I really like the fit of it. I'm gonna like tuck it in and wear it with pants and stuff, and it feels so nice. I picked this up from Hale Road. You remember the Haley video? I picked this one up from there. If you saw yesterday's vlog, then you know the top I was wearing yesterday was from that video as well. I absolutely love. Alright, so we're on Alia's Instagram post number 1. Can we show them what we're looking to recreate? So Sheikh has done a fantastic job of digging out a whole set of images, and then I shortlisted from there with Devyesh over here on camera. Hi Devyesh. And the picture we're going to recreate is this one over here. I'm wearing a white robe for this picture. I really like it. I feel like Alia's Insta aesthetic is very like that. You can see when she's doing it, and then you can be like, okay, this is what the team is probably doing it for, like movie promotions or whatever, which is totally understandable. I like her Insta game. I follow her myself. I don't follow a lot of the Bollywood celebrities. Like, I don't follow Deepika Padukone actually, because I feel like this is all just brand. But I really like Alia's Insta game. So yeah, shall we? Looks okay, no? Looks decent, no?
Very decent.
Like, हाथ कैसे रखूं? उसका ज़रा दिखाना ना. Do I do chin up or do I keep the chin down? Chin up है ना, यानी lips are parted or together. एक मेरा flat straight back है, इसका rounded back है. ये ठीक है? देख, एक सर के अंदर है ये, और एक हाथ दिख रहा है.
और ये वाला हाथ ऐसा है.
ऐसा. Which one are we recreating? हाँ, इसका तो wall का molding भी है हमारे पास. I feel like our wall also looks the same. Then I need to wear a casual grey t-shirt.
Yeah.
What is she holding? A chocolate?
No, she has a French fry.
Is that a French fry?
Yeah, but it does not look like a French fry.
How is that a French fry? Oh, her caption says so. Sorry.
Yeah, we'll have something from Snackables, I'm sure.
Okay, let's go. So, she's wearing this gold ring on her hand in this picture, and I needed something like that. I realized that I don't think I've shown you guys this. This is my dad's wedding ring. I think I'm wearing it upside down, but this is my dad's wedding ring. He doesn't really wear his wedding ring, so I've had it for a while now. I think the past few months at this point. Usko thoda sa polish karwane ki zarurat hai, I think. My mom and dad have been married for like mashallah 30. I'm 30, bhai is 34. So they've been married for around 36 years. And my dad doesn't wear his wedding ring. So when I was sitting in like sorting jewelry and stuff with my mom, and she was like, oh, I'm just going to like melt this and make something else. I was like, nahin, you can't do that to a wedding ring. Just give it to me, I'll wear it. It's a beautiful piece of gold jewelry, and I wear it. But yes, it belongs to my father. But it's got upper angle plane. Sofa nahi aana chahiye. What is she doing with it?
Trying to eat it.
She's at, or she's in, or she's what?
No, she's just posing with it.
ये बाल नहीं दिखना चाहिए पीछे का दिव्येश बिल्कुल भी नहीं ये है ही नहीं. You need to be a lot closer.
I think you should sit on the sofa
and spoil my sofa.
ज़्यादा close हो गया.
हाँ, और बाल दिख रहा है. इसका बाल बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा. Like you can't tell whether it's a bun or a pony or what it is. मैं ऐसे खाऊं कि मैं ऐसे खाऊं? Is she tilting her head towards the fry or away from the fry?
Towards the fry.
हाँ ये एंगल सही है. Towards the fry. थोड़ा और tilt करना. He's giving me directions and Sheikh is not logging his bits. Devesh, give us an action. I think we got it in the first burst. No, one sec. उसका book का ये side भी थोड़ा दिख रहा है. I think we got it. But her hair is messy. My hair is looking nice and simple and straight. That's okay now.
Yeah.
I think मिल गया. Wow, that was the quickest.
One with nibbles. So we'll wear instead. We could like.
You know, getting nibbles like this is only going to be a problem, but she, like, you know how moody she is. I mean, she's right here, and you really never know.
Nibbles? Are you in the mood to be photographed?
Let's give it a shot. Cool. Let's try this one.
Yes.
बहुत like फटाफट में करना पड़ेगा. If Nibbles gets irritated at me while trying to get this shot, finito. Anyway, I'm trying to get her here by scratching, so she comes.
Nibbles.
And that was all the time we had, friends. That's all the time we have today. अच्छा आया एक भी बिचारी. I'm sorry. I would like to admit we have failed with this one. We will try again, right? Arya, I know, but like how do I hold her up like that with her shrugging and juggling? Sheikh is showing me the picture on the side over here. वो बैठे तो. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Devesh, quick. Hi, mommy. Thank you. आया क्या? We got it. I thought ये नहीं आएगा. I really thought ये वाला नहीं होगा ही नहीं है तो. But off shoulder ऐसे दिख रहा है. कोई बात नहीं. Even if this picture is not identical without the pillow, whatever, it's worth it. We got Nibbles in, who's now really pissed off at me. I will have to go give her treats in the evening to make up for it. This is really nice. Why can't we do this?
We'll have to go up.
This is the picture that I really like from the feed. So we can do 3 more pictures basically.
Yeah.
But we need to light थोड़ी सी कम हो जाए उस टाइम पे.
I think for this, I think we should go right now.
Burnt out. तो ये लेफ्ट वाला गुम हो सकता है पीछे या नहीं?
हाँ नहीं.
लेफ्ट वाला
लेफ्ट नहीं लेफ्ट हाँ.
बट फिश नहीं दिख रहा ना उसका.
नहीं फिश नहीं दिख रहा है.
कलर चेंज हो जाएगा.
मेरी आंखें इतनी सी खुली है because of the sun. I tried to keep my eyes open. बाल को उड़ाऊं कैसे? ये हम ऐसे ही क्यों नहीं करते? Wow, I love this shot.
Oh wow, very nice.
पर उसका पोनी से अच्छा है. मेरा पोनी ऐसे झाड़ू जैसे लग रहा है. ऐसे करती हूँ देवेश, मुझे काउंट दे.
और फिर छोड़ने. हाँ.
I like this. What were you saying? The watchman was weirded out.
Yeah, because I just went and he got up and I was like, nahi बैठ को, and I'm collecting the leaves.
You collected leaves that were fallen on the floor. You mean? Good girl. I started saying पत्ते वाली लड़की, then I realized that it's sounding like that song. पत्ती वाली लड़की, खोल तेरे दिल की, प्यार वाली खिड़की. It's भोली भाली लड़की. Even I know that. It's not पत्ती वाली लड़की. What song is this? Q2 भोली भाली लड़की.
भाली लड़की, खोल तेरे दिल की, प्यार वाली खिड़की.
We're done. We're officially done. We shot 6 pictures of the series. If you guys enjoyed like this thing, just as a concept or whatever, and also of course the final output, please tell me in the comments because I'm totally here for like doing more of this. It was just such a like different experience again because I'm trying to do things I haven't done before across Instagram as well as here on YouTube. Going to take a little bit of a break now. I have a little bit of an upset tummy situation going on right now. So I want to just have some nibu pani or chas or I don't know, something that I'm supposed to probably need to call mama and ask what I should be having and take a break. I left my mobile up. You left your mobile up? Oh my god. मैंने कहाँ रखा था? That's so unlike me. Thank you. Devesh saves the day. Oh my god. I was like, how do I open the door? And then I realized I left my mobile up. Shite. Really not in the spirits today. It's, what's the time? Oh, my battery died. Dude, this Apple Watch battery is dying a lot. Halfway through my day or lesser than half since I've switched it to that wireless charger, huh? And that's the only like common denominator. Jerry's here. 6:10 p.m. and I don't know why this day has turned into a very shitty day. All of us came down from the terrace feeling extremely drained out and tired. Like the hot sun coming down to the AC feeling was definitely not a good one. I also got a couple of pieces of bad news work-wise. I mean, not like bad news, but yeah, like bad news. It's just some paperwork issues that I'm dealing with. I feel it's so bloody annoying when like just paperwork things happen. I don't know how much I should say or can say. Like, it's just really irritating. Actually, I can explain it. It's not like something that's like confidential or whatever. So if you are a freelancer, an entrepreneur, have your own business or anything like that, there's this major big companies deduct TDS when they pay you. Turns out we have clients from like 2019 who've deducted our TDS and not paid it forward to the government. This is not GST, this is TDS. It's a completely different, you know, thing. And I had to get on a couple of painful calls and be like, guys, why are we doing this? Like, let's just clear shit out. And you know, like by shit out I mean like clear like paperwork and money out. Otherwise it's just gonna become legal and nobody wants to make things legal. Even I don't want to make things legal because like that's a long drawn process, right? Like you'll have to hire a lawyer, I'll have to hire my lawyer. It'll just become a thing. So I had to get on a couple of those icky calls. In any case, actually उसके पहले से भी मेरा mood थोड़ा सा blah था. दिव्येश का भी mood काफी blah था. He left like half an hour ago, so I told him also to go home early. Sheikh is here having Maggie and chilling, and we're both complaining and cribbing about how Jerry seems to be winning Instagram more than me because he's taking these really bad videos of me. Mr. Jayaranjan, if you are on Instagram, go look at his reels.
It's never a bad video of you, though.
Oh, sure. I hate you. I'm feeling very blah. This is going to be a fairly shitty day. I know you guys have seen me have blue lace with Nutella and that Laytella combination. Yes, my lipstick was named after that combination. Will never go out of style for me, but blue lace with cheese is another one of my go-tos. The cream cheese I'm using is this one over here. Apart from this, and you can again be as disgusted with this as you were when the first time you heard me talk about Laytella and then you fell in love with it when you tried it out, most of you did, is also the combination of, पता है वो लाल वाली banana की chips आती है वो एकदम तीखे मसाले वाली, that with cheese, which is kind of again where this combination came from, is so good. I try a lot of these weird combinations and some of them just really like they hit different. Yeah. My little rider, come on. Good job. Good morning. It's not morning. Day update. My day was going a lot shitty, but now it's a lot better because of mommy. And no, not because of Jerry. He's posting shitty reels about me, not Jerry today.
Please comment below and tell me whether I'm posting shitty reels or would you like to see more of it.
Because of mommy. I'll end up spending the evening with mommy, and now I'm here at mommy's house to have dinner. There's chicken sauce for dinner tonight. Okay, show you in a bit.
What are you guys trying to do? Explain.
Trying to make a dance.
Okay, then we'll do this. It's super simple. Okay? This is going to be super simple. Just stand here. That's it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You like it? Or you want to do one more?
We'll do. I like this, but we'll do one more also.
Okay.
This time we should do a different song.
Adi, you're done with this song?
Yeah.
Okay. Which song?
I really don't know.
Oh god, you're very difficult to please. Which one? Come on, tell me.
Right foot low, left foot down, left foot low, right foot down. Make sure you're saying you don't make like sound. That's killing this like don't you want to dance with me? I can dance like Michael Jackson.
1, 2, 3.
Quiet on the set.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take 1.
Roll sound.
Rolling.
Sound production, take 2.
One second.
This is going up on Instagram, son.
No!
Thank you.
And this is going up on YouTube, Mama.
Please look at my two psychos. This is major main character energy over here and Sana. What did you just say you were doing? Just eating mukwas. Please go to Instagram and see my reel because we have this shy person turned dance choreographer. And then there's my mother who has so much main character energy going that she's like, I don't want to look random. I don't care how you two look. So, quite fun. I have my cousins sitting over here. This is a very random, fun Friday night. This is, I think you've met Kainat. Kainat's been in my vlogs. Her babies have been in my vlogs, I think more than her. And that's Zara. I told you guys I took my cousin to Hill Road the other day. I wasn't vlogging on that day, but she had never been to Hill Road before. That was basically her. I was saying how I landed up getting earrings because when I was shopping with you, I also landed up shopping myself.
If you shop with someone else, it's obvious you go shopping yourself. It's rude to shop alone, okay?
Yes!
Just like it's rude to do anything else alone.
Except for like pee and shower and stuff. Please pee and shower and stuff.
Please do that by yourself.
But yeah, my point is my mother is feeling very much main character energy tonight. Today was a really shitty day, but this Friday night became a very random bout of fun.
Can we count how many times she like replays the video? Can we like keep a track?
I'll lose count.
I think 3 times now.
No, it's been 20 times before.
Okay,
I
I got
already.
here it's 3 times now.
Yeah,
so 23.
No, then she was also standing there before dinner a few times.
Oh, yeah,
remember when she was
bouncing up
grooving?
and down.
Like she has the phone in her hand, she's watching the video and she's going up and down. Mom, I'm talking about you. Mother. Jaldi kari, na 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 na.
2 hours later.
Hello. So we literally went to Andheri and just came back. Someone who had fallen sick and stuff, all of us went to go visit and now we're back and we're having ice cream. It's a Baskin's night. When we had gone to visit the person, Rayan and Rumaisa finished their ice creams. Which ones did you have?
I had, what do you call, Splish Splash.
This is that same blue ice cream what the kids love to have, which makes their tongue blue.
I wanted chocolate chip mint, but they didn't have chocolate chip mint today. Is it so blue?
No. Oh, it's a little blue. Come here, show your blue tongue. I love Bavarian and
Bavarian chocolate chip. Bavarian chocolate chip mint and Splish Splash are my favorite.
It is a little past 2 AM. I'm exhausted. This day has been very ups and downs. I'm also just a wee bit like, oh my god, there was a delay in uploading the vlog today, like in present day on Friday. And I got messages from some of you on the Discord group saying you guys have been quarantined and so many of you have been DMing me saying no vlog today and that you count on my vlogs because so many of you are living by yourselves. I'm just giving all of you a big, fat, huge, many big giant hugs. The reason the vlog couldn't go up today was because there was a little bit of a client integration in that, and I have to run those videos by the clients before posting them just to make sure they've gotten everything that they wanted, kind of all the touch points, which is really normal for YouTubers to have as guidelines from the brand. And I haven't heard back, like my team hasn't heard back from them whether they've seen the video and whether it's good to go. These are just technicalities of the trade that I'm trying to give you an insight to. I hate the idea of uploading vlogs in a random order. Like if today is the 7th of January, I want to upload the 6th of January one. I don't want the 7th of January vlog to go before the 6th of January vlog. Like that's confusing, no? I'll figure something out. I will try and edit this myself if possible and upload this ASAP and then jumble up the order, I guess. Because Devesh, like the team, doesn't come in over the weekends, and I avoid giving work over the weekends in general unless like it's something that's urgent with a client or something that is something we have to do. Anyway, the OFM comment shout out for this video goes to Shweta Kush. You guys know I love reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of you. Come join the Discord fam. Let's talk. Let's let me get to know you also. Let me put it like that. I'm gonna go take my very minimal makeup off. There is some leftover इधर उधर थोड़ा सा तो है ही फॉर श्योर। आज बहुत ही बेली मिनिमल मेकअप लुक था वैसे भी। एंड गो टू स्लीप। There's no Paru Khala. She's taken the leave for today and most of tomorrow, mostly all of tomorrow, and there's a lot of stuff I need to get done. Maybe I will vlog again tomorrow also.